Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In PowerPoint, each slide may have multiple items such as pictures, shapes, and text boxes, and you can arrange the objects the way you want by aligning, ordering, grouping, and rotating them in various ways. Now let's look at aligning two or more objects. So first select the objects that you want to align. So I have these two pictures. I'll select them by holding down the Shift key, and I'll be able to select the rest. Then come to Format tab. Then from here click on the Align command. And from here you can select one of these 6 options. So you can align left, right, you can align center or left. So that's how you align two or more objects in PowerPoint. Again, you can choose to distribute objects evenly. So again, make sure you select the object that you want to distribute. So I'll select this one, hold on the Shift key and select the others. Then under Format tab, click the Align Group. Then from here you can select Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically. So if I select Distribute Horizontally, you'll see the change. If I select Distribute Vertically, you'll see it will distribute itself evenly. Now you may want to group multiple objects into one object so that they will stay together if they're moved or resized. Now to group objects, again select the object that you want to group. So select this one, hold down the Shift key, then select the others. Then under Format tab, click the Group command. So Format tab, Group command, then select Group. And those objects will be grouped. Now there will be a single box, as you can see, with sizing handles around the entire group to show that they're one group. And now you can move or resize all of the objects at once. Like that, I can resize it if I want. Whatever I do to one will affect all the others. Now let's say I want to edit one of these. So what you do is you double click on the object you want to edit, then edit it. And by doing this, you won't ungroup them. So as you can see, they'll remain as a group, but I'm editing this one. So at the end of the day, they'll remain as a group. If I come back, see it's still a group. Now if you want to ungroup the objects again select the group object, then under Group command, click Ungroup, and the object will be ungrouped. Like so. Now let's look at rotating objects. If you need to turn an object so it faces a different direction, you can rotate it to the left or to the right, or flip it horizontally or vertically. So again, select an object, then the Format tab will appear. Now from the Format tab, click on the Rotate command. So I'll select this. Then you can choose whether you want to rotate it 90 degrees, rotate it left 90 degrees, flip vertical or flip horizontal. So I'll select this one so that we can have a preview. Then Rotate command. See, it gives you a preview once you hover over a certain command. So you can choose whichever you want and your image or your object will be rotated.